The Blue Diamond Dozer Blade has been part of the Blue Diamond lineup for quite a few years. However, this model we've made a number of upgrades to make it more user-friendly and some added functionality. We've enclosed the back of this blade to give it a little more rigidity, and you can still get the added height extension if needed if you're doing a lighter product. The trip springs are now an option. That's just simply if you are wanting to use the to unpin it here and allow for trip function in the event of doing snow. Still really a dedicated 6-way dozer blade meant for dirt, but it can do snow. And then we've added grease fittings on all pivot points and all cylinder ends. That's something new. And then we've gone with a slightly heavier cylinder throughout. We're still a 4-cylinder system, which is a much more rigid setup than 2 cylinders that many of our competitors use. Now we've also improved our valve system. So now we have a valve block that we've integrated our speed control right into it. So if the blade's moving too quick or too slow based on your flow of your machine, it has an adjustment to where you can control your speed. We've also enclosed it in a steel box to get our breakable sensors out of the way. So now we bring a 2-pin plug up with our hoses, and at that point you can either adapt up your 14-pin plug to go straight into your OEM controls, or we also have a universal wire system that you can plug into, and then it plug into the power point in your skid steer. And then we have this magnetic box, and it's just a simple flip switch. So the dedicated flow is going to go directly to your tilt this way, being as that's the most often function used. And then when you flip your switch or hit your pin control in your machine, then it'll switch to angle. Very simple system, very reliable, and very, very functional.